this new one. What is this? Flashcard. Yes, do you know? These are all the flashcard new readings. But this is a flashcard. But we have this one flash. But it says on reading new books from ABC. Do you want to open it? Try it. Okay? So, it is a letter A. So, do you know what is A of spelling? Yes, this is A for apple. And next is B. B. And next is a new B. B. This is new B. This is the new B where this letter is. It is making noise like drum. Yes. And next is the letter banana. Do you know this is the banana? And do you know this is B from banana? So let's keep it right there. So guys, we have a news questions. Welcome to D. This is D. B. Next is C. C for clock. 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 It is this song is and next the next letter is D. Okay, but look, it can make this letter is duck. 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 So let's keep it right there. So welcome to the surprise. E. E for elephant. Woo! Woo! It can work so hard. It can make so very loud noises. Do you remember that elephant who was there? He was making that noise. These are all this one and see that code is there. So this is the elephant. G E E E E E E E. Yes. And next is welcome to the use yourself. F. F for fish. Oh, it is the big fish. It has a short one, but it is actually real. You know that I've seen in the water of the lake. I will show you. You know, F is meaning of fur. And this is the new fish. And next is G. Grapes. G. Do you know why you're not subscribing me? Please subscribe. I'm a good boy. If I'm not a good boy, but I am a good boy. I do lovely things and lovely good things, but I follow mommy instruction and my parents' instructions. And just look at Janet, he's funny.